Hi friends, welcome back to Everyday Tech Solutions. So as we see before last video how to create a virtual machine. So now we'll see how to schedule the start and stop virtual machine using the Azure Automation. So Azure Automation. So first of all we have to do here, we have to go to the create resource and we have to search as a start and stop and start virtual machines during off hours. So we have to create this for, then later we have to go to the workspace. We have to select create new workspace, or we can select default workspace. So here I'll create new workspace automation. So here we create automation workspace subscription, then we have to select the resource group. Here same we will select then central US, and here it will ask the price for that, pay as you go. If you want to create, you can create here. So for now I'll discard this. I'll take an default workspace because the default workspace is there. So I'll take that. So after coming back to this automation account, our resource is creating workspace. So after that we'll come back. After this we will create the automation account. So workspace is done, then we will create an automation account. New automation VM automation I'm giving for now. So I'll click on OK. It will deploy. Some time for this. Okay, so automation is created. We can see here VM automation. Now configure parameters, like we can say target resource group. We can say VM resource, and we can include here the VM list. So my VM is this one. There is only one VM. So if I won't give the VM name, it will target particular VM what's available. So for now, I'm giving the VM exclude list or include list. We can give there. So let's see later about that at the time of the testing. So for now, it is showing me the today's date and stop time. So here, what I have to give is I have to start my VM on 7 a.m. daily. So I'll take an example here. So and 7 p.m. I want to stop this my VM. So as per the UTC time, as we selected the resource group is the Central US, so it will take as per that timings. So it's depend on like which virtual machine is South Asia we are selecting or South India, then it will take a different time. So it depends on the time. So which is the UST IST times. So like that way we have to check the times which time we have, and by that way we can schedule our VM here as per the timings. And if you want to receive the email confirmation, so this email confirmation will get in our current account mail ID. If you want to add another mail addresses, we can add by using giving the commas separated. So for now we don't want to do that, so we'll do OK and we will do create here. So it will take some time and it will create an automation account, whatever the parameters we provided to it. So it will take some time and it will get created an automation account. So then we will see how to test this. Okay, it's created, so we'll go to resource group. Instead of this, we'll go directly to the automation account. So we can search here also. So VM automation we created, and my resource group was demo central US. So we'll go here. After getting here, we can select run books. So run books would work for this. Then after selecting run books, we get some time. Run book is not created, so we'll refresh once. Let's see. Or we'll check the schedules first. Okay, so schedules are came here, start VM and stop VM. So we'll check again. Then we can create here run book also. So here we can also select graphical. So manually also we can create, and it will also, if it's not created, then we can create manually. That also we can do. Also we can import the run books if it's already existed. So if we go to automation account first, then again we will check run book. Run book is created. Then go to schedule. Now we'll check the schedules are not coming here because the run book was not created. So hi friends. So here you can check schedule start and stop. If run books are not created, then we can edit this run book, and I'm giving some commands and mentioning this all description. So we have some start VM and end VM, stop VM command. So I'm giving this into the description. So you can select the PowerShell and you can give this command. Only you need to type here resource group name of resource group and VM name. So it will directly go to the that particular resource group and it will stop. If it's coming, so run books are coming, then no need to do that. You just need to test. And at the time of this test, we have to give the start and stop, and a particular VM name we have to give here. And by that, we can start test. You can see here, so it's completed and it is showing that logged into the Azure subscription and it started. So demo VM it's targeted, and we can see the VM it was stopped. Now we will refresh. It will take some time to reflect here and it will get start. So if we refresh, you can see start button is invisible, means it's started. If we click on stop, then it will stop. So we want to manually, we will do from here only. So here we can do stop. We click on stop and let's check. So the same VM it will get stopped. Sometimes the run books won't reflect. It will reflect after some time, 15 to 20 minutes. So we just need to check and we have to wait. you can say the process is completed, it's showing, and it's targeted to the same demo VM. So this VM is get stopped. So we'll refresh. It will take, for the stopping also it will take some time. Will get reflected in some time. You just need to wait for some time because this process would come after by using the commands, and it will take particular time. So you can see both are invisible. Now I refreshed all the page. I will see and it gets stopped. It's invisible and it gets stopped. It will take some time for the starting also. So then after some time the start button will get visible. So like this way we can start and stop VM, we can schedule. If we go back in the schedules, we will check what the times we, so default times actually UTC time. So you can give as per your time zone, and we can start and stop the VMs. So this is the video about start and stop VM over the automation account. So try this, subscribe to us, like to our channel, and thanks. If you like this, please comment and like to our video. Thanks to connect with Happy Day. Thanks.